intelligent anti-theft lock. Okay, I purchased this from Aliexpress. Support Tuya and smart apps and also Alexa. Let's see what's inside the box. There's a few screws and bracket over here. Let's see what is inside. Okay, this is the mechanism. Okay, lock mechanism. Just put aside. Lock mechanism, and let's open the box. This model is a waterproof one. Okay, it's a measurement for you to do. Use a manual, the assemble diagram, USB type C. We have two magnetic cards. We have a battery here, 1 and 2 battery. I purchased 2 battery instead of 1. It's good to have 2 battery, and another mechanism here. And another mechanism over here. Alright. Okay, this is the main handle on the door. Let's see. Look at that. Okay. It's a fingerprint here to open the door, and the support card, facial recognitions, digital lock, in fingerprint, yeah, and it's a waterproof. Right, this is how it looks. This one is at the back of the door. Back of the door, they have this screen, right? Once somebody press the doorbell, right, this it will, you know, appear in this screen. That's why they provide you a battery, right? And we have this lock. From inside you can open and lock the button. Okay, good. And yeah, they provide us rubber seal here. Looks good. Okay, let's put aside. Okay, this is how it looks. Rear of the door, and then front of the door. A few screws, 2 magnetic card here, 2 battery, USB cable, diagram, and the mechanism, and also user manual. Right. Good. See you on the next one.